The question is, which one of the following conditions will favor the maximum formation of the product in the reaction? This is the reaction given. As delta Th is given negative value, therefore it will be an exothermic reaction, and exothermic reaction is favored at low temperature. Moreover, the delta N value for forward reaction is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1, and therefore such reactions are favored at high pressure. So the answer will be low temperature and high pressure, option number 1. As discussed, the answer is option